Priya, for weeks, the bond market was pricing in a Trump trade. Everything you just discussed, the reason why yields were going higher. What is the bond market telling you now?
I think the bond market's trying to take some risk off the table. We had that Iowa Seltzer poll over the weekend. So I think there's a little bit of concern. Now, here's the issue. We've been in a 50-50 on a knife's edge race, I would say, for a few months. But I think the market reaction is asymmetric, meaning in a sweep, you get such a big move that the market, almost from risk management standpoint, had to price some of it in. I would say the move in 10-year treasuries, the last 20, 30 basis points, is that Trump trade, which makes sense because if you're talking about a 100 basis point move, which is what we saw in 2016 on a Trump sweep, you start to price some of that in. And I think in the last week, people have said, hold on, this is a 50-50 race. Let's just take some risk off and then reassess. And I think, but you're still going to get a big market reaction, I think, either way.
What's your advice to investors when they see potentially blue mirages or red mirages, but full tallies haven't been submitted for big states?
I would say take a deep breath. I know you've been saying it all evening and we keep saying it all night, which I think we should all hear. I mean, you know, there's politics, there's obviously the market's going to be volatile. There is going to be, and night trading, I mean, overnight trading is never that liquid. You're going to see big reactions. We saw it in 2016 and the market entirely reversed it in 2016. It's quite possible. I would say let's take a deep breath. There is, even in the sweep scenario, I think this idea that rates can just rise and stocks can keep rising, I think we should still see there's a lot they say in campaigns. What can actually get done? What will the market allow? The fiscal space, the inflation space is so much different today compared to 2016. I think we have to be careful drawing too many conclusions from what's happened in the past.